Hi everyone, this is Mukesh Otwani. There are a lot of confusion, so let me start with this. There are so many AI tools in the market like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Browser Agent, which can generate the test cases for you. It can debug the code for you. It can automate end-to-end applications for you, right? So you might be wondering, is my testing career at risk? Answer is no. Take a deep breath. Let me explain you how, and let me also share my views on this. Now, before we start, let's understand what AI can do, right? It can generate the test cases for you. It can write the code. It can do the code analysis, bug prediction. Plus, it can also write end-to-end automation script for you. It can understand the logs. It can understand the pattern and bunch of other things. So this is what AI can do for you, but also understand what AI cannot do. Now, before we jump into the next part, let's talk about certain myths. Myth number one, will AI replace manual testers completely? Answer is no. Reality is AI is becoming a powerful tool for every tester. It's not a replacement. Now, according to me and what trend I have seen on Naukri, LinkedIn, companies are hiring testers who are comfortable with the different AI tools, who can embrace the AI tools, who can integrate different AI tools. So instead of getting scared, I would highly recommend you to start integrating AI tools in the current processes. Instead of overthinking, adopt the growth mindset. The future of testing is not about human versus AI. It's all about human plus AI, a human who can use AI. So what you should do in this AI era if you're into testing. So what next? Now here's the action plan. Again, take step by step because there are so many things to learn. So instead of learning everything, start with basics. Get comfortable with some AI terms, get comfortable with ML basics, and start learning with some AI fundamentals. Then you talk about different tools which exist in the market, how you can use that tools, how you can integrate that tool in the current processes. Experiment with the different AI testing tools that we have in the market. And please start thinking critical. When I say critical thinking is basically you're not thinking in one way, you're thinking in a multi-dimension. Focus on multiple or high-level testing strategies, high-level test design, performance analysis, and get expertise in the test data management as well. Now, if you're confused that which tool to start, you can start with Testicle. It can help you to automate your web, API, mobile, desktop. It can also start like you can automate network calls. You can also automate phone calls, SMS, captures, multiple things. So you can start with that, experiment how it you can integrate, how you can use the AI capabilities of TestTrigger, and see how you can reduce the overall test maintenance as well. It can write the test, it can generate the test for you, and bunch of other things. So please adopt this mindset that you have to get comfortable with the AI and see how you can add value. That is my take on this. Now, everyone might have a different take, but you have to decide which tool is getting fit as per your requirement. That's all about this video. If you have any other views on this, let me know in the comment section and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.